Hi, I'm Ernest Granson with Processwest magazine. I'm here at the 2018 Global Petroleum Show in Calgary. And with me today is Klassen, who is with Precision ADM. That's a global manufacturing and engineering company based in Winnipeg. And Precision ADM uses 3D printing, which is also known as additive manufacturing. So Ian, it seems that additive manufacturing has really grown to new levels of acceptance over the past couple of years. Maybe you could explain the basis behind the technology and where do you see it going from here?
Absolutely, thank you. The technology is really matured in some parts of the world, Europe in particular, and in some industries, in particular the medical industry. And that's where we came from. We were a company in Winnipeg that did medical testing and device testing, and we were going to partner with a company in the U.S. specifically to make hip cups. And these hip cups are very complex but very simple at the same time, in the sense that it's just a sphere for your hip socket. That has been traditionally manufactured, but what we've done with additive manufacturing is we're able to manufacture the same hip cup, but with a lattice structure on the outer shell that aids in bone integration, so a better adhesion to the hip cup to your bone, and therefore better outcomes for the patient. And so when we started working with those companies in the U.S., we realized that additive manufacturing was really going to be the foundation of Industry 4.0. So we developed out of the Orthopedic Innovation Center in Winnipeg, a company called Precision ADM. And in 2015, we spun out and ordered our first additive machines, first two additive machines, and started printing parts in titanium and cobalt chrome, stainless steel, maraging steel, and started marketing additive manufacturing to both the aerospace and, of course, the medical industries. We've now found that other industries like the oil and gas industry have some of the same challenges that the aerospace industry and the medical industry have, in that their parts are becoming more complex, the designs are being more complex, and so using additive manufacturing, we can more quickly produce those parts. We can assist in taking those complex ideas and further massaging them and working with the clients and designing them such that they can now create a part that is completely and only additively manufactured, and the benefits are massive, from turn time savings to, in some cases, our customers, even in the oil and gas industry, want lighter parts. They may want stronger parts than they've typically seen, or they simply just have complex fluid issues that additive manufacturing can solve for them, and really replaces conventional manufacturing methods. So we're just touching the tip of the iceberg in this industry now, but we're taking all the knowledge we have in both our medical and aerospace industries and businesses that we focus on, and the work we're doing there, and bringing it now to oil and gas. And so at the show, we're really trying to educate the clients here, the users, the operators, the different companies making their own products, and in some cases they're coming to us at the show and saying, hey, this looks like a fantastic solution to some of the problems and that we're running to in manufacturing today, and this is fantastic to see you educating us and promoting the benefits of additive manufacturing. So we're giving everyone at the show another tool to use in their toolbox.
And if anyone would like to learn more about additive manufacturing, where can they get in touch with you?
They can get in touch with us directly through our website at precisionadm.com, or myself at Klassen at precisionadm.com, or any one of our colleagues within the business. They would be happy to help direct you to the right people, get in touch with our engineers, and then we'll help you along your journey to additive manufacturing.
Thanks for your time today.
Thank you. I appreciate it.